Yeah. We're inside a freaking. What?
Alright, I'll open it. Myself at a pub.
What am I looking at? This is nuts. I checked in my bags. We're running a bit late, so we've got to do this quite quickly. Dad's pushing ahead on a mission. Jump in.
Yeah. Luca's going to Melbourne, mate. He's going to go live over there, mate. So I just brought him up. So yeah.
Got through customs. I had to get my bag swabbed for gunpowder. So I must look pretty guilty. But now we're at the booze store. Yet again, we're taking off in another hurricane, just like Fiji.
We're flying out to Fiji in a hurricane.
The weather's not as bad, but it doesn't look too good. Got some nuggets in the water because we've been delayed for an hour and a half. I've got maintenance on the plane, so just gotta waste time now. Alright, I just made it. I grabbed my bag, made it to Melbourne. Right, so we've made it. I'm in the city now. It's pretty busy, but nah, it's awesome. We're gonna go check out the Victoria night markets. I've heard a lot of people say they're pretty good, so I'm gonna check that out. We made it to the night market. This place is absolutely packed. I think the plan is get my food and get out as quick as possible.
Number 20?
Yeah. Right, so we're leaving that from the city. It's beautiful. We just got some groceries for breakfast tomorrow. We're heading to the apartment now. This is the first night at the apartment, so pretty excited. But the market was really good. It was just way too busy for me. This is like the most random place I've ever been to. But there's just so many what is this? Oh, they have their own Chinatown. Like, look at this. It's actually nuts. It's crazy, like in Melbourne there's heaps of different, areas. Like there's Chinatown, then there's like a whole suburb that's just like Italian food. But it's crazy, and the buildings here are ginormous. And then what the heck? So right now I'm right next to Adrian Portelli, like that billionaire. His like $40 million penthouse that like conjoins across two like huge buildings. Is it just there? I actually can't remember which buildings ours or how to get into it, so I wasn't really paying attention. So I found it. Took a little while, but it's quite nice. We're going to get groceries. I just thought I'd show you this because I've never seen it before. I just turned the lights off, but this is what it looks like from our window. Alright, so I'm gonna go to, I went there yesterday, but I didn't really get to look around because I was going grocery shopping, but I'm going to one of the busiest malls in Melbourne, probably Australia, so we'll go check that out. It's actually nuts. The walks are like beautiful. Like I don't even know what I'm looking at. There's like skyscrapers and then there's just that. Like there's a castle and then there's just like Maze Bank Tower. I reckon that building alone costs more than Tauranga itself. And then we have the library that looks like the White House. It just blows my mind how big everything is here. Like, alright, we're heading into the entrance. It's already so busy, but they have like the most random shops here. I'll show you what I mean. Like there's a house inside the mall. I'm not too sure what's going on here, but like we're inside a freaking dome. Like we're inside like a glass dome and it is so busy. It's not even like peak rush hour, but I'm gonna try and find my way around this place. Anything you can think of is probably at this mall. I'm going down, not that level, and tell me what this is. But then I'm in like the coolest Foot Locker I've ever seen. Like we've got like 24 karat gold lamellos, I'm guessing. Alright, turns out I'm lost. I've walked a kilometer the wrong way. I just want to find these Pokemon cards. Turns out you can go down another floor. That's what I was missing. So we're actually underground now. This is like, what is this? What the heck? Apparently this is a line for this shop. Look at this. I've actually found the greatest vending machine of all time. Like, they've got everything. Right, I'm getting just one of those. There we are. If I don't get a Charizard, I'm gonna be pissed. Charizard. Alright, I'll open it when we get home. I just want to like understand this. There's a vending machine for Cheetos. Oh, why would you not just buy a bag of Cheetos? So I've got the mozzarella pizza and a prosciutto pizza here. There's an extra $1. This actually might be the best pizza I've ever had. There's more cheese than bread. It's nuts. We're in the biggest Lego store I've ever seen. We're gonna look at the Star Wars. Got the bro. 10 likes and I'll get that. I'll get the Millennium Falcon. 10 likes. I've had enough. Too much is going on. Overwhelmed. Alright, if this isn't a Charizard. Bro. Come on, Charizard. Oh, I'm never buying that. Dumbest thing I've ever freaking bought. I've never seen the like that ever again. So there's apparently a drone show on in Melbourne. First time it's been in Melbourne, so we'll go check that out. I'm with Luca, a roommate. But apparently there's heaps of people going. It's apparently a big thing. Apparently it's down on the river. We're trying to find a spot on the hill where we can see, so it's actually packed. We're not seeing anything. Bro, we're right behind the trees. What does that say? Oh, I know that one. I know that one. What did that say? That tornado, bro, that's crazy. It's insane to see what people can do. And then we're got the Eiffel Tower.
Found myself at a pub. Look at the spot though.
Oh, they do food, bro. Bro, what am I looking at? This is nuts.